Whoa, dude, what's that siren?
I think it's a signal to evacuate the town.
But we're caught. Whoa, what was that? Right there. You see that? Right there.
No.
There it goes. Dude, stay back.
What is that?
Okay, so we got back in the woods over here, and we're not sure what's going on here, but the siren stopped, and I'm kind of freaked out right now. I think it's just because they think everybody's out of town by now.
Probably.
I'm really freaked out. There it was again! There it was! Right there! Did you see it? We gotta get to the school. It's the only place to shelter. Whoa! You go on ahead without me. I'll catch up. I'll get there. I really hurt my ankle. I just gotta stop and rest a moment. There's the school. I just gotta get over there, and there'll be a safe room and a phone. We can get a chopper to lift me out. I gotta cross that open field without any of them seeing me. Whatever they are. Okay, I think I'm gonna make it now.